Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Kaleid and Kaleid FluX, two of Gamesir's latest multi-platform wired controllers. Both gamepads are officially licensed and work seamlessly with the Xbox Series X and S, the Xbox One, Windows PC and Steam Deck, delivering a smooth and lag-free gaming experience. The Kaleid is priced at $49.99 and it has a few more features than the Kaleid FluX, which retails for $46.99. Of course, you can use my discount code, which is in the description, to get another 10% off. Both controllers have long-lasting and precise co-effect thumbsticks and triggers, two fully programmable back buttons, and a total of 4 rumble motors, one in each grip and triggers. But first, let's take a look at the packaging, starting with the more affordable Kaleid FluX. Gamesir has done a great job again with the presentation. As we open the box, we're greeted with the controller itself nicely secured. We have the 3-meter long USB-C to USB-A cable. The cable is braided in black and golden stripes, which actually matches the color scheme of the controller itself. We have the user manual, some Gamesir stickers, their social media links, and this really nice cleaning cloth. With each Kaleid and Kaleid FluX controllers, you also get 1 month free Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, which is also super nice. Here we have the Kaleid controller itself. It has this awesome looking glossy front faceplate with black and gold colored D-pad and triggers. I honestly really like this color scheme. The build quality feels really solid, with a matte finish on the back and grips that provides a really nice feel. The front plate is also transparent and it looks really nice once we connect the controller and all the RGB lights fire up. So we pretty much have the familiar Xbox button layout. The X, Y, A and B buttons use membranes for a nice softer and more cushioned feel. The thumbsticks feel smooth and precise. They use co-effect sensors, which effectively delivers anti-drift glide and a reliable and precise performance. The thumbsticks are rated at up to 5 millicycles. Here is the 3.5mm audio jack, which is also a really nice thing to have. There is the mode button. It's used for assigning keys to the back buttons, changing the RGB lighting and brightness. The gold-covered D-pad uses membranes. It feels nice and tight with no extra movement. On top we got the start, capture and back buttons, and the home button with the Xbox logo, since this is an officially licensed product. The triggers and bumpers are gold-colored for a really nice contrast. The triggers used co-effect sensors as well, and we also got rumble motors in each trigger for extra immersive haptic feedback. On top of that, there is a hair trigger function, which you can quickly enable and disable from the mode button. And there are the 2 extra back buttons, which are fully customizable and provide a nice edge in competitive play. Moving on to the Kaleid, we pretty much get the same packaging for both models. A USB cable that matches the controller's color scheme, a user guide, cleaning cloth and Game Pass Ultimate code. Let's take a closer look at the controller itself. The transparent front glossy case is pretty neat, showing off the internal PCB pattern and giving the controllers a more unique look. The grips and back are textured as well for a more comfortable feel. All in all, it feels like a very solid and good looking controller. Starting with the first major upgrade compared to the Kaleid FluX, the X, Y, A and B buttons here use micro switches instead of membranes. The feel is very tactile and is significantly less mushy than a typical membrane button. The thumbsticks here also use anti-drift co-effect sensors. They're very precise. Along with that, we also got anti-friction rings for even smoother feel. The D-pad, to my surprise, uses mechanical switches. So that's one extra reason to spend a few more bucks and get the Kaleid model. The triggers use extremely accurate co-effect sensors with 0.1mm accuracy. We also got the two fully mappable back buttons. The controllers can be customized with the Gamesir Nexus app. We can adjust the button mappings, sticks and trigger settings, vibration levels and RGB lighting. The controllers also offer 4 different light effects with adjustable brightness. The Kaleid and Kaleid FluX feel really good in the hand with the familiar shape of the Xbox controller. The build quality is also top-notch. As for the setting up, all we have to do is connect the controller via the provided USB cable. It's pretty much plug and play. If you're on PC, you can use the Gamesir software for further customization, including remapping buttons and adjusting sensitivity. So guys, the first game I wanted to try with the Kaleid is Fortnite, which is a more fast-paced shooter. I'm used to the Xbox controller buttons layout, and the controller's comfortable grip and responsive buttons makes it easy to execute quick moves. The button layout feels familiar and intuitive, which is crucial for games that require quick reflexes. The customizable back buttons are particularly useful for assigning frequently used actions, reducing the need to take your thumbs off the thumbsticks. Overall, the Kaleid and Kaleid FluX performed really well across various types of games. The customizable features, comfortable design and responsive control make it a versatile choice for any gamer. So guys, what's the verdict? It's a fantastic option for gamers looking for high-quality, customizable controller. The build quality, precision and additional features like RGB lighting and programmable back buttons are the main selling points here. So guys, if you like the products, you can find the purchase links in the video description. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming content. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Gamesir Kaleid and Kaleid FluX controllers and what other products you would like me to review. Thank you all for watching and see you guys in the next video.